Today topic is conditional trigonometric identities. We know the trigonometric identities are true for all admissible values of the angle involved. These are some trigonometric identities which satisfies the given additional conditions. Such identities are called as conditional trigonometric identities. Today, EX number 3.7, sum number 1. If A plus B plus C is equal to 180, sum of three angles in a triangle is 180, prove that number 1, sin 2A plus sin 2B plus sin 2C is equal to 4 sin A, sin B, sin C. Let us take LHS. Sin 2A plus sin 2B plus sin 2C. There are three terms. Take first two terms, sin 2A plus sin 2B. Using the formula sin C plus sin D is equal to 2 sin C plus D by 2 cos C minus D by 2. In this case 2 sin 2A plus 2B divided by 2 cos 2A minus 2B divided by 2 plus sin 2C. Using the formula 2 sin theta cos theta. 2 sin C, here C is an angle, therefore 2 sin C cos C. Sin 2C is equal to 2 sin C cos C. Now 2A plus 2B common 2 divided by 2. So 2 sin A plus B cos 2A minus 2B common 2 divided by 2. Cancelling we get cos A minus B plus 2 sin C cos C. We know that A plus B plus C is equal to 180. So, A plus B is 180 minus C. So, pi minus C. 2 sin pi minus C cos A minus B plus 2 sin C cos C. Since the given three angles, sum of the three angles A plus B plus C is equal to pi. Now, 2 sin C cos A minus B. Sin 180 minus C is sin C. So, 2 sin C cos A minus B plus 2 sin C cos C. Common 2 sin C. Remaining cos A minus B plus cos C. Cos C can be written in the form of cos of 180 minus A plus B. So, cos 180 minus A plus B is minus cos A plus B. 2 sin C cos A minus B minus A cos A plus B. 2 sin C. Let us take cos A minus B cos A plus B. In between negative sign. So, cos A minus B minus cos A plus B is 2 sin A sin B. Using the formula cos A minus B minus cos A plus B is equal to 2 into sin A sin B. So, 2 2s are 4 sin A into sin B into sin C is RHS. Hence the result. 2 cos A plus cos B minus cos C is equal to minus 1 4 cos A by 2 cos B by 2 sin C by 2. Let us take LHS cos A plus cos B minus cos C. Take first two terms cos A plus cos B. Using the formula cos C plus cos D is equal to 2 cos C plus D by 2 cos C minus D by 2. Then 2 cos A plus B divided by 2 cos A minus B divided by 2 minus cos C is 1 minus 2 sin square C by 2. Now, A plus B plus C is equal to 180 is given. In this case, A plus B plus C is equal to 180 by 2. A plus B plus C is equal to 180. A plus B plus C divided by 2 is equal to pi by 2. That is 90. Now, A plus B by 2 plus C by 2 is equal to 90. A plus B by 2 is equal to 90 minus C by 2. So, using A plus B by 2 is 90 minus C by 2. So, 180 by 2 is 90, 90 minus C by 2 into cos A minus B by 2 minus 1 plus 2 sin square C by 2. Now, 2 sin C by 2 cos A minus B by 2 minus 1 plus 2 sin square C by 2. Common 2 sin C by 2. Remaining cos A minus B by 2 plus sin C by 2 minus 1. Take minus 1 first plus 2 sin c by 2 of cos a minus b by 2 plus sin c by 2. Cos a minus b by 2 is 2 cos a by 2 into cos b by 2. Cos a minus b by 2 plus sin c by 2 is 2 cos a by 2 cos b by 2 minus 1 multiply this 2 sin c by 2 into 2 cos a by 2 cos b by 2. 2 2s are 4 minus 1 plus 4 cos a by 2 cos b by 2 into cos c by 2 is RHS. Substitution number 4, sin square a plus sin square b minus sin square c is equal to 2 sin a sin b sin cos a. Let us take LHS sin square a plus sin square b minus sin square c. Multiply 2, divide by 2. To multiply these three terms, we have 1 by 2 into 2 sin square a 2 sin square b minus 2 sin square c by c. 1 by 2 into 2 sin square a is 1 minus cos 2a plus 2 sin square b is 1 minus cos 2b minus 2 sin square c is 1 minus cos 2. 1 by 2 into 1 plus 1 is 2. Here minus 1, so 2 minus 1 minus cos 2a minus cos 2b minus of minus plus a cos 2c. 1 by 2 into 2 minus 1 is 1 minus cos 2a minus cos 2b plus cos 2c. 1 by 2 into 1 minus, take these three terms, common minus, we have cos 2a plus cos 2b minus cos 2c. 1 by 2 multiply 1 by 2, in this bracket we have 1 by 2 of cos 2a plus cos 2b minus cos 2c. 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2 cos 2a plus cos 2b is 2 cos a plus b cos a minus b. Cos 2c is 2 cos square c minus 1. Using the formula, we have 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2 of 2 cos a plus b cos a minus b minus into plus minus minus 2 cos square c minus of minus positive 1. 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2 of 2 cos a plus b plus c is equal to 180. Therefore, a plus b is 180 minus c cos a minus b minus 2 cos square c plus 1. 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2 minus 2 cos c cos a minus b minus 2 cos square c plus 1. 1 by 2 last minus 1 by 2 cancel. We get cos c cos a minus b plus cos square. Cos c is common. Cos a minus b minus cos c. Cos c cos a minus b minus c is 180 minus a plus b. Cos of 180 minus a plus b is cos a plus b. Therefore, cos c into cos a minus b minus cos a plus b. Using the formula, cos a minus b minus cos a plus b is 2 sin a sin b. Therefore, multiply cos c, we have 2 into sin a sin b into cos c. This is RHS answer result. Next, substitution number 6. Sin a plus sin b plus sin c is equal to 4 cos a by 2 cos b by 2 cos c by 2. Let us take LHS sin a plus sin b plus sin c. Take first two terms, sin a plus sin b. Using the formula, sin a plus sin b, 2 sin a plus b by 2 cos a minus b by 2 plus sin c is 2 sin c by 2 cos c by 2. Okay, these three are formulas. Next, sin 2 sin a plus b plus c is equal to 5. A plus b plus c divided by 2 is 5 by 2. So, in this case, a plus b by 2 is 5 by 2 minus c by 2 cos of a minus b by 2 plus 2 sin c by 2 cos c by 2. Now, sin 90 minus c by 2 is cos c by 2. Sin 90 minus theta is cos theta. Therefore, sin 90 minus c by 2 is cos c by 2. So, 2 cos c by 2 cos a minus b by 2 plus 2 sin c by 2 cos c by 2. a plus b plus c is equal to 180. Divide by 2 gives a plus b by 2 is 190 minus c by 2. Application. Okay. C by 2 into cos a minus b by 2 plus sin c by 2. 2 cos c by 2 cos a minus b by 2 plus sin c by 2 is sin 190 minus a plus b divided by 2 using the last one. Now 2 cos c by 2 cos a minus b by 2 plus sin 90 minus a plus b by 2. Sin 90 minus theta is cos theta. Using the formula we have cos of a plus b divided by 2. So 2 cos c by 2 cos of a minus b by 2 plus cos of a plus b divided by 2. 2 cos c by 2 into cos of a plus b by 2 plus cos a minus b by 2. Interchanging these two, there is no changes. Okay, 2 cos c by 2 cos a plus b by 2 plus cos a minus b by 2 is cos a by 2 into cos b by 2. Multiply cos a by 2 and cos a b by 2 in 2 cos c by 2. We have 2 into cos a by 2 cos b by 2 into cos c by 2. This is RHS hence the result. Next, sum number 3. If a plus b plus x plus y plus z is equal to xyz, prove that 2x 1 minus divided by 1 minus x square plus 2y 1 minus y square plus 2z 1 minus z square is equal to 2x divided by 1 minus x square into 2y 1 minus y square into 2z 1 minus z square. Let us take x is equal to tan a, y is equal to tan b, z is equal to tan c. X plus y plus z minus x y z is equal to 0. Taking tan on both sides, tan of x plus y plus z minus tan of x y z is equal to 0. Now tan of x plus y plus z is equal to tan x y z, or taking tan inverse on both sides, we have x plus y plus z is equal to x y z. Taking x is equal to tan a, y is equal to tan b, z is equal to tan c. So tan a plus tan b plus tan c is equal to tan a into tan b into tan c. Now tan a plus tan b plus tan c minus tan a tan b tan c is equal to 0. Tan of a plus b plus c. Let us take first a plus b is capital A, then a plus c using tan a plus c formula. So tan of a plus b plus c is tan a plus b plus tan c divided by 1 minus tan a plus b into tan c is equal to 0. Now tan a plus b plus tan c divided by 1 minus tan a plus b tan c is equal to 0. Cross multiplying, we have numerator tan a plus b plus tan c is equal to 0. Now tan a plus tan b divided by 1 minus tan a tan b. Expanding this tan a plus b. Tan a plus b is tan a plus tan b divided by 1 minus tan a tan b plus tan c is equal to 0. Now taking LCM, we have tan a plus tan b plus tan c into 1 minus tan a tan b. Now multiplying, we have tan a plus tan b plus tan c into 1 minus tan a tan b is equal to 0. Multiply this tan a, in this bracket we have tan c minus tan a tan b tan c is equal to 0. Now a plus b plus c is equal to 0. Multiply 2, we have 2 into a plus b plus c is equal to 2 into 0 is 0. So 2a plus 2b plus 2c is equal to 0. Tan of 2a plus 2b plus 2c is equal to 0. By number 1, equation number 1, tan 2a plus tan 2b plus tan 2c minus tan 2a 2b tan 2b tan 2c is equal to 0. Here a, b, c, here 2a 2b 2c. Tan 2a plus tan 2b plus tan 2c is equal to tan 2a tan 2b into tan 2c. Now tan 2a is equal to 2 tan a divided by 1 minus tan square a. Tan a is x, therefore 2x divided by 1 minus x is 2b is 2 tan b divided by 1 minus tan square b. 2 2 into tan b is y divided by 1 minus y square. Tan 2c is equal to 2 tan c divided by 1 minus tan square c. So 2z divided by 1 minus z square. Substitute tan 2a, tan 2b, tan 2c in equation number b. We have 2x divided by 1 minus x square plus 2y divided by 1 minus y square plus 2z divided by 1 minus z square is equal to 2x divided by 1 minus x square, 2y divided by 1 minus y square, 2z divided by 1 minus z square. Hence the result. Next, sum number 4. If a plus b plus c is equal to 90 degree, prove the following. Number 1, sin 2a plus sin 2b plus sin 2c is equal to 4 cos a cos b cos c. Let us take LHS. Sin 2a plus sin 2b plus sin 2c. Take first two terms. Sin 2a plus sin 2b is 2 sin of 2a plus 2b divided by 2 into cos of 2a minus 2b divided by 2 plus sin 2c can be written in the form of 2 sin c cos c using the formula sin 2 theta is equal to 2 sin theta cos theta. Therefore, 2 into sin a plus b by 2. Adding these two, common 2, divide by 2, we get a plus b. Next, cos of, subtract these two, common 2, divide by 2, cancelling these two 2's, we have cos of a minus b plus 2 sin c cos c. Now, 2 into sin a plus b is pi by 2, 90 minus c. Using a plus b plus c is equal to 180 degree. Now, a plus b plus c is equal to 90 degree. So, 2 sin 90 minus c cos a minus b plus 2 sin c cos c. 2 cos c into cos a minus b plus 2 sin c cos c. Common 2 cos c. So 2 cos c, remaining part cos of a minus b plus sin c. 2 cos c, cos a minus b plus sin c. Sin c is 90 minus a plus b. Sin 90 minus theta is cos theta. Therefore, 2 cos c of cos a minus b plus cos a plus b is equal to 2 cos c, cos a plus b, then cos a minus b in front of plus. So, these two places are changing. Cos a plus b plus cos a minus b. Cos a plus b plus cos a minus b is 2 cos a cos b. So, using the formula. Now, multiply 2 2s are 4. Cos a into cos b into cos c, hence the result. This is RHS, hence the result. Next, sum number 5. If triangle ABC is a right angle triangle and if angle A is equal to 90 degree, then prove that number 1, cos square b plus cos square c is equal to 1. First, draw the diagram. Draw A, B, C be the right angle triangle. Angle A is given by 90 degree. Therefore, angle BAC or CAB is 90 degree. Now, LHS of subdivision number 1, cos square B plus cos square C. Cos square B, cos square C is 90 minus B. Cos 90 minus B is sin B. So, cos square 90 minus B is sin square B. Cos square B plus sin square B is 1 using the trigonometric identity. So, RHS, LHS equal to RHS. Subdivision number 1, 2, sin square b plus sin square c is equal to 1. Let us take LHS sin square b plus sin square c. Sin square b plus sin square c is equal to sin square 90 minus b. Why? Angle b plus c is equal to 90 degree. Angle c is equal to 90 minus b. Therefore, angle c is 90 minus b. Therefore, sin square 90 minus b. So, sin square b plus sin square 90 minus b. Sin 90 minus theta is cos theta. Using the formula cos square b. Sin square b plus cos square b is by the trigonometric identity 1. RHS, LHS equal to RHS. Hence, subdivision number 2 is proved. Hence the result. Now, today homework EX number 3.7, sum number 1, subdivision number 3, 4 and 7. Sum number 2. Sum number 4, subdivision number 2. Sum number 5, subdivision number 3. Any doubt? Reply the message. Thank you.